Congratulations. Pero hindi kita maglakad. Matapos, joke lang. Congratulations. Now we will receive the presentation and approval of the proposed program by
Pwede ka nakabalik sa Hong Kong.
Jennifer Mandiego! Very much, Sir Fred. Next one from Sir Freddy. President, Sir Morse. Next, from SBTV East Section Charity. Our winner is Russell Faye is Ibanez. Congratulations, Sir Morse. We have grade 8. We have Lorny Jero or Hero. Jero Galen. Nagabot naman sa aton nga present Marlene J. Pendiente. Ayan, sila. Sige, so that's it for our officers. Okay, thank you very much. Now we will...
From grade 10, Mahogany. Ara, si Sir? Ara? Yes! Ara, nagaling si Sir. Madamo ka salamat for being so resource school. Hopefully, okay na pa mo na. Yun! Ara, si Sir. Palapakan ka si Sir! SPTA Officer, 7 by of course, Sir Mark. And of course, next winner, we have from grade 7. Wala. Ma'am Emily Papaula! Yan! Wala si Ma'am. Ma'am, bakit wala 8, 9, 10, kag 11? Wala pa. Yes. And of course, ara si Ma'am from grade 10 Santol. Yes. Yun. Good. Congratulations. 42 socks pa na nabili. Grade 10 Avocado. Ang Aileen Albuhesa. So, thank you. Thank you so much. Pwede taliwan kabulon, Ma'am Sheila at ato. From grade 8 Dove, Ma'am Erlinda Puentebella Pancho. Erlinda Pancho. Ara si Ma'am. Ayun. Congratulations, Ma'am. Congratulations. At this...
I will start first. You know we are ready. I am Estelle. And...
All under the Republic of Canada.
Your winner is Mrs. Cristal Jane D. Decor from grade 7. Kumalaw sa grade 7 na. Grade 7. Yan yung mama. Pensailin Maxueto. Penen. Rinalyn Maxueto. Isa-isa ko yung mga iskutin. Joanne M. Kahulaw, grade 7 Earth, SPE. SPE 7, Joanne Kahulaw. Joanne Kahulaw. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wala. Next, grade 8 Moonstone, Elma Parpunit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next kapot is Sir Marimon. Tayo na lang kabilog, sir. Yes, nalamig ka, Marimon. Grade 8 Amitis. Gemma Toledo. Ala, sinang yehey! Pila, tatlo na lang. Ako na lang. Malay mo anak ko sa tatlo. May kasi ka ba?